Hello everyone, this is Deb here, this side. Welcome to my channel. So today's topic will be, I will be keeping it simple. It is with respect to stock market. So when it comes to stock market, we are all here to make money, right? Some quick bucks, maybe. So let me come up with some basic things. So if you are investing in stock, so make sure that you have some time horizon and don't typically go with those facts कि short term है कि long term है. See, for you maybe short term is for 1 week. For me short term might be for 1 month or maybe for 1 minute. So it clearly defines the investment horizon, and everything will be very much different for different set of people. So the first and foremost thing that you need to do is assess your risk taking capabilities, or in other words, how much is the amount that you're willing to lose. That is not probably something that you'll be hearing quite regularly, because people in this world would be more or less typically telling that how much money do you really want to make? 10%, 20%, maybe 100%, 500%. And we are pretty much like, oh wow, we are really going to make some real good money out of it. But hey, here's the catch. If you are patient, if you have conviction on the company that you're willing to invest, believe me, trust me, that company is going to pay you off well. Okay, so let me not waste much of a time on the video, and let me share you some quick tips on current scenario in this pandemic, what all stocks you need to select. So the first stock that I need to discuss is one of the IT major firms in India who has a very good telecom presence. When I say very good, they have 60% approximately, and I'm talking none other less than Tech Mahindra. Yeah, you guessed it right. So Tech Mahindra, in as you see this pandemic, a lot of people are actually like me and you, and everybody is talking over the phone. So how do the telecom make money? ARPU, that's the parameter. So when telecom makes money, these IT companies, or especially Tech Mahindra, have their back-end support all over their place with all this telecom. So I think at some point of time, I think this is one stock which is going to have a very good potential going forward. So so right now it is trading almost around $1,000. So expected, you can think it to going somewhere around, say, maybe 1500 to 1600 is what my expectations are. uh, you're feel free to, you can go across with some videos or probably some research reports which you might feel, but this is my recommendation for pandemic in this time, at this junction. The second recommendation that I would like to give is something to do with pharmaceutical. When I say pharmaceutical, we have one of the major players, we have Dr. Reddy. So Dr. Reddy is right now really doing well, and with Sputnik coming into the place and we are all getting vaccinated. And just imagine a figure. I mean, say Dr. Reddy is taking a lead onto this, and there are 130 million, oh sorry, 130 crore of people who are right now there in India, and obviously everybody needs to get vaccinated. Let us take 50% of those vaccination is being done by Sputnik. Say 25%. 25% means 25, say 30, 40 CR people. So with 990 into 40 CR, and I'm sure that there would be some amount of good amount of margin. So whatever the margin is, just imagine what sort of profits all this drug making companies would be making. So I think there is a huge good amount of potential, and there is some foreign amount of, what you say, from the US, from Europe. There are a good amount of business that would coming in, because unlike India right now, uh, you know the countries have really opened up because the vaccination drive has been going good. So yeah, in a way, so Dr. Reddy is my second pick. Yeah, so I think that's all of for today. Okay, check out for our next video. Okay, then see ya. Tatas.